Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. There you will see in front of me Vivo V15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port using metal objects. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you just need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's very easy to do because toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector on your Vivo V15 Pro device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!